Hello and welcome to another KB's train spotting video, and today we're at Romford in Essex on the Great Eastern Main Line. Today you'll see trains from Greater Anglia, Elizabeth Line, London Overground, and maybe any luck, maybe some freight, I do not know situation. If you like my videos and stuff, please do give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe, and that would make the channel grow, and that would be really nice. And we'll see what shall turn up on this line. And at the moment I can see a train moving to the station situation over there. We'll get that one when it departs in a second situation, and yeah, we'll get more when more trains arrive and leave. Now we've got a train leaving Elizabeth Line 333 from London Street to Shenfield. And we get more trains as we go along. You might find there'll be a lot of might as well just keep it on record and see what happens. I think you're probably fine, but we'll go from there. And that was the 13:16. Now I've got another train come through, 331. Couldn't get the numbers that one. I think the end was maybe 322448, but I'm maybe guessing situation. And that one will be the I don't really want to know that one situation. Yeah, that'll be from London Liverpool Street to Ipswich. Now I've got another train, 3345044 on the Elizabeth Line, and that will be from, I don't really know really, it's a bit skewy here. Yeah, it's from London Liverpool, it's from Shenfield to London Liverpool Street, which is the 13:25 service. That particular train. There's another train there which we'll get when it departs. Now we've got another train leaving, which is the Elizabeth Line. I work on the 745-059 from London Liverpool, from Shenfield to from London Liverpool to Shenfield. Which is the 13:24 service. Now we've got another train coming through, Freightliner 66524, which is from Romford to Pixabay North. Yeah, that one is the pass here at 13:25 from Wentlock Freightliner to Pixabay North. Now we've got a train leaving from Romford, Greater Anglia. Work on the 720. 720-55227. Got a Elizabeth Line going the other way. This one's from London Liverpool Street to South End Victoria, 13:30 service. And over here we've got Elizabeth Line, which is 345013. I'll find that out in a sec. That one is I'll find that one in a sec. It's all skewy here. That's probably Shenfield to London Liverpool Street. Now we've got another service, well we're looking, 345066, so 366 rather. see it is. And that one is from London Street to Shenfield 1335. That one was. Yeah, I just have to warn you, the footage maybe not that great. I might not be able to get all the numbers. The fact is, this the busiest station I've probably ever been to, and probably will be for a long time. Now we're getting another greater Anglia, 325 to 6, which is the closest town to London Liverpool Street, 1328 service, arriving late at 10:20, 566 in the rear, from rolling at 1334, should be here at 1328. 72506 on the rear on that service. I've got another service. Whoops, wrong way. Reverse back. Which is the London Overground service, which is from it's the 1334 coming in, which is from Upminster. London Overground. Get your numbers in a minute. Now take a 710 107. Now I've got another trade greater Anglia. 720 573 on this particular one. And the rear I'll get in a sec if I can. Yeah, I think it's 567, but I'm totally not sure. That's greater Anglia, which is which is the should have been past it at 1332. Right, past it at 1336. From Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street. That one particular one. Now here you can hear a train coming up, which should be from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. It's passing at 1338. No, it's the other way around. Yeah. 745001 from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. I've got another train there, which is 745067, which is the Liverpool line, which that should be from Shenfield to London Liverpool Street, which is coming in at 1339. Now I've got a no Elizabeth line, which is now a class on its 345. Getting numbers in the sec. Couldn't get quite that one, unfortunately, but that one's the must be the London Liverpool Street to Shenfield, which is leaving a bit late, which is the 1339 service. Now we've got another service just leaving here, which is the London Overground to Upminster, 1341 service, which is of course free, which actually the number was missed there, but you've had to get it just about. Now we've got more space to play about with, unfortunately. I could have got a better view of that one, but no situation. So yeah. We'll go whatever next turns out, we'll leave. Now I can hear another train coming. It's come from this side of the way. 320, 1020, 514 I think, and 53, 523 whatever. That one is from Braintree to London Liverpool Street. Arrived at here at 1344. Got another train, 3450035. The Liverpool line, which is from Shenfield to London Liverpool Street. Which is a 1347. Now I've got another train, 745 come through. Double 07, that one. And that one's from London Liverpool Street to Norwich. Past it at 1345. Now we've got Elizabeth line on the 345. 345 030, which is from London Liverpool to Shenfield, 1348. Got 320, 720, 720, 566 and 5771. Which is from London Bridge to Southend Victoria, 1348 pass through here. Now you can hear a Greater Anglia train come through, should be, which is a 102553 on the front. On the rear should be 720 569 coming in, which is a Greater Anglia. London Liverpool Street closer to town, I do believe this one might be. No, it won't be. I don't know. I'll find out in a sec. I'll just go concentrate on filming at the moment, and then we can do that a bit later on. Right, Greater Anglia. From Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street, which is arrived at 1552. Now we've got Greater Anglia movement, 720, 720, 535 on the front. It's one train, this particular one. I'll give you the situation in a sec. That will be from London to Liverpool Street, from London Liverpool Street to Colchestertown, 1552. Now we've got Elizabeth line, 345 033, which is from Shenfield to London Liverpool Street, I do believe, 1354. Yeah, it is. I'll get more when they do come. I'm not going to stop here. I've got no train movement now. Elizabeth line 345 048. Which is the 1355, which is from Shenfield to the 1354 service from London Liverpool to Shenfield. That one particular one. We'll get more when more arrives. Now here another train, 321, 310. And 327 on the rear. And that went ever so quickly, that did. And that one is the past here at 1359 from Ipswich to London Liverpool Now we've got another train coming from, we're expecting this, 345. 345 059 Lucifer line, which is I'll find out in this sec, just to carry on the filming. We've got another Lucifer line leaving, 345 004. We've got another train coming, which is the, I don't know which way it is, a sec, here we go. 745 010 Greater Anglia from Norwich to London Liverpool at 14:01. The last two which is the Elizabeth line situation, which should be, I don't really know really, it's all a bit of a mystery here, to be honestly. Well, anyway, I'm going to leave it for a sec and carry on with this. 720 548, 720 511. On that particular train, I'm pretty skewy here at the moment. Right, I'm going to pause it and I'll come back to the situation. I think that's the better way of doing it. Now we show a train coming in into Romford, terminating London Overground. 710 107. I think it actually might be the same train I've seen. It may be the train when I actually maybe just setting up or something like that, or maybe it's the same train. Oh no, this one is coming in at 14:04. Going back situation, the two London Overground, the two Duplicate line were from 14:02 from Shenfield to London Liverpool Street. That was the last one. The previous one was from London Liverpool Street to Shenfield, which is 1400 hours, and the Great Round train going up towards Northway was 14:01 past here from London Liverpool Street to Braintree. There you go. I solved that issue out, and we'll get more when they come and go. Now we've got another train coming, Elizabeth line, work on a 345 066. I feel sure some of these we've seen before. From Shenfield to London Liverpool Street. Right, it should be around at 14:09. Now we've got Greater Anglia for the 720. Can't quite get that one, but it was a 720, and that one should be from London Liverpool Street to Southend to Victoria, which is the 14:09. Passing through. Now we've got another train coming through, which is the Elizabeth line, which is on the 345. 345. I missed the number of that one, but hey ho. That one should be the from Liverpool Street to Shenfield. That one was 14:08. That one right a bit late. The other one was actually coming in with actually from Shenfield to London Liverpool Street, which is 14:09. So yeah, and the next train should be this train leaving, London Overground should be, unless anything specifically any different peers up suddenly. So yeah. Now we've got another district London Overground going, which is the 14:11. now got Great Wrangler 745, Central Express. 745-105 on that particular train, which is passing at 1411 from Liverpool Street to Norwich. We've got a train coming through, 745, 049, appearing. Lisbon line from Chenfield to London Liverpool Street, 1416 should be arriving here. Now I've got another Liverpool line leaving, 745-006, going from London to Chenfield. Which is the 1416, 1416 from London to Chenfield. We'll get more train when they arrive situation. And I'll get a bit concerned there might be a few problems on the line because there should be trains passing through here by now, just being Lisbon lines, but we'll see when they arrive. We've got 321. 0304 on the rear of that one. I can't quite gather the other one. I said that was probably from Southend. No, whatever it was. London Liverpool Street to Ipswich, I do think. Past it 1416. We've got another train coming. I'm going the wrong way. We've got another train coming through here. We've got a freight coming through. Freightliner 66601. So yeah, that one must be, I have no idea, but that one, we'll find out when. Oh yeah, it's from Marksdale Tarmac to Brentford Town Days, past it 1417, that one. Now we've got another train car, I can hear it, 720, 548, the front, the rear, 561. That one would be, I don't really know about that one. Yeah, that one is from Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street, that one, which is very, very late, that one. Might have said that one, got that one wrong, and I might, no it wasn't, that one was right. That one would have been Clacton on Sea to London Liverpool Street, arrived at 1420, should be arrived at 1415. There you go. So I've got to say, it says 335, 337, 720. Great Wrangler. So that one would be. Right, that one was Clacton on Sea to London Liverpool Street, right, 1422. The other one must be from Southend Victoria to London Victoria Street, no, London Liverpool Street, and the other one must have been, get a bit wrong there, situation. Yeah, I get a bit mixed up here, it's very quick for me. Thinking, am I ready for this yet or not really? But hey, I'm here now. I'm doing my best. Got a freight, look, got a freight train. 66590 Freightliner. And that one is the, I did have it. Yeah, something to do with Lordy Street, I do believe. Yeah, Lordy Street to Felixstowe North. There you go, now got another big line. Working on 345030. Which is from Chenfield to London Liverpool Street. 1424. That train was, the freight train was 1422 rather, if I said that wrong. So yeah. Now we've got train movement here. 745 to Shenfield. 745 04449. And we've got a Great Wrangler 72532 coming in to London Liverpool Street. So that one, Shenfield to London Liverpool Street, was the 1424 service. This one will be the from Colchester Town to London Liverpool Street, which is the road at 1427. Now we've got a train movement, 720. 720 567 on the front, and the rear 720 573. And that one must be from London Victoria to Southend Victoria, which is the 1429 service. Now we've got the Elizabeth line coming on, 345048. Which is from Shenfield to London Liverpool Street, 1431. $3.20, $7.20 rather. 639 and 9 watt. I do not know. Probably not 9 watt there. And then we got a Liverpool line lever 345044. That one was from London Liverpool Street to Shenfield, 1431. That one, thundering past, would have been Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street, right at 14. And we've got another train coming, 720, 506, and 526 there. That one would have been. Now the last one was Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street, that one, which is a 1431 left. That one would have been London Liverpool Street to from London Liverpool to Clacton Sea, which is 14, past it at 14:32. Now we've got the last train of the day, which is the London Overground, right here, back at 7:10, 107 again. I don't need to say it. Which is arriving at here at 13:34. No, 14:34 rather. Get it right. When that's now stopping, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you enjoyed my video today on KB train spotting videos. If you like what you saw today, please do give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe. Any comment situation, I'll get back as soon as I can. Yeah, I think this station, it's a nice station to come here to film, but I'm not sure I'm quite ready for it. How many trains thundering past through, guessing the numbers as quick as I am. Like I said, my reactions are not always the greatest, I have to say, of all mean. We'll get another train coming in. 745. Sands Express. I think I can't read the number situation of that one, but I'm going to get that one situation. But yeah, I think if I go do this again, I might live for a couple of years, really, to be honest with you. And that one path was past it at 13:45 from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. Yeah, I'm going to leave it here. Next train spotting video, I do not know what I'll go to do yet. Probably a bit more quieter, I will say, to be honest with you. Let's have a go. I can't moan, situation like that. So we'll go from there. And cheerio from me. Goodbye.